Connecting the world, it's what we do. We live in a connected world, and new technology is making those connections happen even faster with the availability of blogs, tweets, photo sharing, and more. Prysmian Group products provide power and the transfer of information to form the grid that allows you to connect with anyone, anywhere. While it may seem this technology is new, it's not. At Prysmian Group, we started a connection trend over a century ago, linking Europe to North America, streaming information through transatlantic cables. We revolutionized the connection business daily through 89 manufacturing plants in 50 countries with over 19,000 employees. We are the global leader in cable manufacturing. In the North America region, we have 9 plants, over 2,500 employees, and endless career opportunities. Our people are experts in their fields, leaders, pioneers, visionaries. Working in 91 plants and 17 research and development centers, they're dedicated to moving the world forward. They don't just react to today, they shape the things to come. At Prysmian Group, we link recent college graduates with our new graduate leadership program, where we place graduates in roles that make a difference each day and gain the knowledge to launch more connections to every part of the globe. With the graduate program, you have the opportunity to travel internationally, keep your career on track with steady advancement opportunities, and work for a sustainable global company. It's a lifetime opportunity. Help connect the world. Join Prysmian Group. Join our efforts and learn more about an international career with Prysmian Group by talking to us today. You'll be glad you did.